Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Thomas. We're going to look at the new Bull Bay sign that was recently installed. Now this is the Southern Coastal Highway, or I think we should start referring to it as a Paul Bogle Highway because this highway is going to be renamed in honor of the national hero Paul Bogle. We are heading towards 7 Miles Bull Bay, where they have built a park and they've put up a very nice sign that says Bull Bay. This is the new highway that was recently opened. Right there, they're going to be putting in street lights, not street lights, stoplights, and also street lights along the route. Now, if you hadn't visited Bull Bay in quite some time, you wouldn't believe you're driving through Bull Bay right now. I think this part of Bull Bay is actually in St. Andrew. Bull Bay is in both St. Andrew and St. Thomas. It's a completely different look to the area since they opened this highway. Okay, so that's the park over there on the right. Some more work needs to be done with the park, but that's the sign we're talking about. And we're going to go around the roundabout and show you. We're actually going to come out and walk around the park and show you the sign. So there's a sign, and it's very popular. A lot of people have started to take pictures with it. Alright guys, we'll enjoy the rest of the tour as we show you the park and more of the sign.